My name is Raji Optional. I am a BSN Science student studied at MSU Buug, Mindanao State University Buug campus. And today's video, I'm going to demonstrate my lesson for today. So let's start it. So good day class. So before we start our lesson for today, may I request Miss Anna to lead the prayer for our discussion for today. So thank you, Miss Anna, for your prayer. Before anything else, who will be absent today? Can you see your seatmates who is absent today? Okay, so who is the secretary? Okay, Kate, you are the secretary, so you can give me the list of the absence today. So before I give an assignment to you last meeting, am I right? Yes, correct. So what is the assignment that I give you last meeting? So yes, Mr. Carl. So okay, right. Our I give you an assignment last meeting to search about the characteristic of the sun, what is the sun, and what is the function of the sun. So because I give you an assignment because it is an in connection to our topic this morning. Our class, we discuss another lesson this day. So I have here two pictures. So Miss Kate again. So can you describe what is the picture all about? Okay, thank you so much. You are right. So the first picture is all about the sun, and the next picture is all about the earth. So Mr. Carl, can you describe what is sun? Oh, okay, thank you so much. Very good. So how about Miss Kate again? So how can you describe earth? Okay, thank you so much. So today, before we will start another lesson, I have here a short activity to you. So this is our activity today. So okay. So Miss Jamaica rather. So I give you a research about the different characteristic, the function of the sun, or what is all about the sun. So I know you can study this all about because I given it to you last meeting. So Miss Jamaica, what is the meaning of the sunspot? Okay, very good. So you are right. So the meaning of the sunspot is the dark patch on the sun. So very good. So this is the dark patch of the sun. So next, Mr. Mike. So what is the meaning of corona? So okay, very good. So the meaning of corona is a flame or form at the surface of the sun. Very good. Next, Mr. Gerald. What is the meaning of the star? So right. So star is star where the next is the mass of the gas in the space. Yes, right. So next, Mr. Raji. So what can you say about the layer? So layer is the level or the parts of the sun in the solar system. So lastly, I will answer this one. The sun is a star where planets are orbit. So all of these are the different characteristics of the sun. So I guess it is all about the characteristics. So sunspot is the dark patch on the sun. Next is corona, the flame form of the surface of the sun. Next is star, the mass gas in the space in the solar system. Next is layer, level, or parts of the solar system where our planets and our sun orbiting. Then next is sun, a star where the planet is orbiting. So I think you have no questions regarding our characteristics, so let's proceed. So I have here another picture. So it is we call the sun. This is the sun, and so as you can see, another diagram. So again, Miss Kate. So can you differentiate the different parts of the sun? So okay, very good. So a big hand. So Miss Kate. So So Miss Kate is correct. So this area is we called it photosphere. So photosphere here, photosphere. And this area, according to Miss Kate, this is a core. And this area is what we called a convectional zone. And this area, lastly part, is what we call the radiation zone. In the illustration that I given to you is what we call the different layers of the sun. So, Mr. Carl again, so, do you have own idea regarding what is photosphere? Okay, thank you so much. So another, Mr. Mike, what is your idea regarding photosphere? Thank you so much. So now, I have here the true meaning of the different layers of the sun. So here is the first. So here are the different layers of the sun with their function. So first, we have corona. Corona, it is a solar flame where formed at the surface of the sun. So next is radiation zone. So the radiation zone is the third othermost layer of the sun that emits the radiation, which is dangerous to our health. So it is very crucial, class, no, nga, the radiation zone, it is very not unhealthy to us because of their dangerous radiation to us, to our body, and to our health. So next is the core. The core is the most center part of the sun. Then it is the mainly composed of the molten rocks, where the hydrogen is converted to helium to produce energy to form of heat and light. So the core composed of the element hydrogen, helium to form a heat and light. Next is convection zone. So this is the second outermost layer of the sun, which energy is transported outward mainly by convection currents. The next is a photosphere. So photosphere is the surface and outmost layer of the sun, which temperature of 6,600 degrees Celsius. It is very heatiest because it's conducted into 6,600 degrees Celsius. So this is where we can see sunspots and corona. Okay, class, it's all about our discussion regarding the sun together with their different parts are the layer of the different parts of the sun. So I think anyone questions? Okay, so I think seems already time. So next meeting, I will give you a quiz regarding our topic for today. And can you study all this what I discussed? What I discussed this today. So I hope you have learned a lot with our discussion for today, class. And that's all. So goodbye, class.